Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name's Nico and I live full-time in my Tesla traveling across the US as a YouTuber. And in today's video, I wanted to show you guys if it's possible to overnight car camp in a Love's truck stop to save money. And if you ever had to travel and wanted to skip hotels or campground fees, this is a viable solution for you. Alright, what's going on guys? So today we are overnight stealth camping in a Love's parking lot, and this is what it looks like. Although I did ask the front that if parking here overnight was okay, and they said it was fine. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Dollar Tree and get some props, and we're gonna make car camping at a Love's truck stop fancy, and we're gonna cook some steak and stuff, so here we go. First things first.
Destination is on the right.
Shut up! We're gonna charge our car. It's currently 91 degrees. Let's go. Alright, and that cost about $4 and some odd cents. So now we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. Ah, this is gonna be so fun, guys. Y'all know the filet mignon, $18.84, $28.99 a pound. Wow. Alright. We got all our ingredients for a great night, and here we go. We're gonna go to the camp spot, which is the Love's. So we have 1 hour customer parking. That's not good. And that's like right here, right in the front. Also, I was stressing out because I saw this, and that's all like right here. All right, fam, we are overnight car camping right in the front of the Love's at the EV charging spot. So there's gonna get a lot of traffic here. All right, before we start getting cooking, I want to thank today's sponsor, AG1. I'm gonna go get some ice from the Love's. Here we go. That's the power of like videos. Like anyone can watch it. Yeah, get inspired. Yeah. So now we're getting the water. I just met David from the Love's over here in Ripon, California, and he does Twitch streams. So shout out to David, man. Super friendly. He's the one that told me that I could kind of park over here in the Love's. All right, anyways, back to sponsor. Here we go. All right, guys, I want to thank today's sponsor, AG1. It's a daily foundational nutrition supplement, and it has probiotics and multivitamins all into one. And so you put 8 ounces of cold water with some ice. And I love these travel packs because I'm always on the go and I can't always get a well-balanced meal while on the road, and this helps me fill common nutrient gaps in my diet. What you want to do is you want to tear it open like this, and bam, you want to put it in the bottle, shake it up, and bam, you have 75 plus vitamins and minerals all in one drink. It's got a really good flavor. This is super good. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And guys, since taking AG1, my favorite benefit is that it supports my energy levels. So get started for less than $3 a day when you subscribe at drinkag1.com/Nico Murillo or scan the QR code. And now, let's get to cooking, shall we? All right, probably not the most private area, but here we are, right? We're in a Love's parking lot, and we're gonna go ahead and cook some food and have a great time here. And we got the props here too as well. Oh, I'm so hungry. We got our jasmine rice. On today's menu, we have steak and we have a little bit of broccolini. All right. Steak going down. Oh, it's hot. Let's take that off the grill. All right, the cool thing about this is they let me stay, they said 24 hours, which is so cool. I think I'm gonna have this Olipop watermelon lime. Highly recommend. Wow. All right, now we're gonna flip it. Wow. I think I'm gonna let that sit on an open flame. Take a look at that. Man, what a life to live. This is so cool. We're like in the middle of summer. It's July 5th, Saturday. We're having like a little mini date night. So cool. All right, so the cool thing is, like, I'm back parked, so like literally nobody's like seeing me cook, and so cars will just be passing by and no one really notices I'm here. All right, it is now time to put the rice in the microwave. So we're gonna move that down here, not spill the rice. Gonna hook this up to the Bluetti, and 90 seconds. There we go. My goodness, I'm so hungry. I think it's time to flip it. I might have overcooked it. Oh man, check it out. Not even close. All right, this is taking a little too long, so we're just gonna cut it into strips. Just gonna slice them. All right, now I'll get in the rice. Oh, I forgot the broccoli. Damn it. Oh. Veggies are in there. Add some water to make it steam. All right, and we have dessert also as well. So it's like a 2-course meal. We have elected to go with Chobani yogurt, which is a little bit frozen, but gonna make do with what we got. Didn't have a fancy cup, but this plastic one will do. All right, we're gonna go with some cut strawberries. Got our sugar-free syrup sauce. Bro, what are the chances of this happening? Oh my god, this thing's, it pierced right through the slipper. Ow. Jeez. Sheesh. All right, we eating like kings tonight, boys. So on tonight's menu, we got steak with rice, and also for dessert we have some Greek yogurt with some blueberries and some strawberries. And yeah, we're gonna eat good tonight. Here we go. For those of you that don't know who that is, that's Ryan. He lives inside his van and he does like cooking stuff. He actually is a huge inspiration to me cooking some of the meals I'd be cooking with you guys. I really like the ambiance of Love's. Like, it's pretty cool. By the way, today is July 5, it's Saturday, so it's a Saturday night. So we're enjoying the Saturday night, date night, would you say? Man, last of the steak going down. Don't be jealous. Go and cook your own. Man, now we're on to dessert. Here we go. Oh yeah. And fun fact, blueberries are actually like a superfood. We eating good tonight, boys. Oh man, I'm getting real full. Gonna wash down these greens. Okay, I think we're gonna get kicked out. They said something on the intercom, or it said someone in the white car, you need to leave. But then they also said no soliciting for gas, which I'm in a Tesla, so it doesn't make sense, but we're gonna go ahead and pack up. That was super loud on the intercom. They said someone in the white car needs to leave. Well, we are in an employee spot parking lot area, so that's probably why. So we'll probably just get out of this spot and just go down over there. This is so hard. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is hard. We got it though. We're going in our electric vehicle parking spot. So that way we can camp here for tonight. Alright, the cool thing about this is that they have bathrooms, so if you gotta go in the middle of the night, you can do so. So let me show y'all. First, we're gonna throw away this trash. So I have elected to go to the restroom in a different bathroom down the street in the Flying J. Why? Because the current bathroom in the Love's is stank. Really bad. If you haven't watched the movie or read the book yet, The Martian is a really good book. And it's about this guy who has to survive on Mars alone and has to wait until he gets rescued. Obviously, it's a fiction book. And I don't usually read fiction, but this has been my go-to read for reading at night. It is a cozy night inside the Tesla van. I've never done this before, so this is the first timers. So I really hope we get away with it. Okay, so the Tesla has car cameras, and so you're able to see what's in the front with a wide angle too as well. That's pretty cool. And the narrow. Also, we see on our left fender the chargers right here. The right door pillar, you see cars coming in and out of the area. The right fender, there's a lot of action going on. Lots of cars whizzing by. This is the rear of the car. And yeah, that's it. I'm really worried about this right here. We're parked right in front of the entrance, and so there's gonna be so much traffic going in and out. I'm not even gonna put our sentry mode because it's gonna like record the entire night basically. So, and this is going to be a cozy night. Time to go to bed. Alright, time to go to bed. Hopefully we don't get the knock in the morning, and yeah, we'll see if we wake up in the morning. It's 12 a.m. Alright, it's currently 12:30, and these people over here are being pretty loud. They had played a lot loud music. It says EV charging, and I don't know. Oh no, they're in the employee parking. Good morning, America. Here we go. All right. What a view. Let's go! I can't believe we made it out with no knock. Let's go! Hi, so Love's is a truck stop, and so here are all the trucks that hang out over here. See all of that? Those are all truckers. Hello, how's it going? Yeah, doing good. This one. Cheers. Okay, so Love's actually started as one gas station in Watonga, Oklahoma in 1964. And now they have 640 locations in over 42 different states all across the US. Talk about humble beginnings for a Love's truck stop. It's pretty cool. That's a lot of truck stops across the states. So, and there's like 50 states, right? So there's perspective for you. Coming back to Bay, here we go. Getting the day started in the morning with some ghosts. All right, and did you also know that Love's is open 24/7, so they cater to just about everybody, and they also have EV chargers at most of them now. So, case in point, we have one right here where we're actually parked at. And the great thing is they have bathrooms, so if you need to go in the middle of the night, you can. I asked the guy in the front, yeah, I can only stay here for 24 hours from the day and time that I started when I came inside. Pause. That's a weird, yeah. All right, and Love's also has its own tire and service center brand. If you have a flat tire, they have a service center, so that way you can get patched up and quick and ready to go. This one specifically, I don't think has it, but it says many of them do have it. Okay, so the next time that you are traveling and you need a place to stay, Love's Truck Stop can be one of your options. I just highly suggest that you ask the front desk first before you start camping there, and then, you know, do your thing. But thank you, Loves, for letting me stay overnight, and hope this inspires you guys if you guys want to stay overnight, or if you're in a pinch and you don't know where to stay. Loves truck stops. They got 42 of them across the whole US, so you're able to do it. In my example, I survived the night, so I was super excited. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate the support. If you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that. Like the video, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Thank you guys. Peace.